Good morning, BNI. I welcome you to our next episode of our podcast, BNI Buddy, where we get a chance to associate with one of our BNI member and share it with you all. I am your host and host Divjot, and I have the honor to host a very dear friend and a fellow BNI member, Tanya.
Thank you for inviting me, and I feel honored to be here.
Tanya, can you share what is your BNI category?
Yeah, so I'm into corporate gifting, and that is the category.
And how did your journey of corporate gifting begin?
So we used to curate festive hampers and other hampers, personalized gifts for people, and that is when our journey into gifting started. Because otherwise we were just a home decor or a gifting business, which thoda boring gifts or aisa hum karte hote the. But then of course the passion for packing gifts, the passion for curating hampers with more love and more magic, it was inside me. So that is when we decided that we will do it for corporates also. A few corporates actually approached us near Diwali last year and then last year, and that is how our corporate gifting journey actually started. And I'm grateful to be in BNI for giving me this opportunity to have this honor of choosing the corporate gifting category, because otherwise we have a lot of customers for other domains, but corporate gifting is very dear to us because we get connected to a lot of passionate entrepreneurs because of it.
That's wonderful. So having baby steps, you reached a platform where today you are a budding entrepreneur.
Yes.
And how did you come up with this unique name, Cozy Kutum? It's very fascinating.
So cozy means warmth. I'm very fascinated about these chai cups and coffee mugs. So cozy was something which was in my mind, and we wanted to curate gifts which people can use not just in their offices but also in their homes. So kutumb is one word which means it is a Sanskrit word which means home or family. So whether it is your employees wala family, whether it is your ghar, so you can use our products anywhere and they'll just add a cozy feeling to whatever place they're placed in.
So I'm sure that your gifts add a lot of coziness to everybody's life. So bonding over a BNI category, what are the kind of services and the products that you offer?
So we do employee onboarding kits. We also do gifts for that you want to gift your associates, that you want to gift your employees, you want to gift to your maybe colleagues or your clients, everybody. So we take a price range and then we suggest you different hampers or different gifts that can fit in that particular price range. And so that is how you create categories. And then we guide you through these categories, what can be gifted to each category, like that.
Wonderful. So as a corporate, I feel each one of us has employees, we have vendors, then we have our clients. So you have specific gifts, or you curate a unique one for each one of them?
No, so we specialize in personalized gifting. So whether you want your logo on it, whether you want the other person's name engraved on it, we do it all. We cover it all. You don't have to pack any gift that you take from us. We give it packed in a condition that you can simply hand it over to the person, and the person will have a unique unboxing or opening up experience also. So that is how we add charms to our gifts.
Reminds me of the present I used to get in childhood.
Yeah.
So BNI is, taken care of by some very mature core values. What is that one core value that you resonate with?
So building relationships is one which clicked me on day one, and I started visiting people for one-to-ones, and people started coming over for one-to-ones, and we kind of just जैसे बोलते हैं ना vibe match होना. तो पता नहीं कुछ तो एक connection था. Of course that connection is BNI. When you're on the same platform, you're meeting every Thursday, you have that connection कि एक relationship automatically build हो जाता है. Plus one more thing which I want to add is when you share your bio sheets with each other, people know most of the things about you, about your family, about whatever your hobbies are. And I think किसी को भी नया, अब जैसे हम छोटे होते हैं तो हमें बहुत होता है कि नए दोस्त बहुत easily बन जाते हैं, बट बड़े होते होते ना वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हमारा कहीं ना कहीं लूज हो जाता है. We don't make friends that easily. But in BNI, by sharing that bio sheet, by visiting people, by having one-to-ones, and आप बात business की ही कर रहे हो of course, but you know that person inside out somehow. So that is how we build relationships, and that building relationships is I think one core value that I relate to the most.
That's beautiful. So you mentioned that you're a very young member into BNI.
Yeah.
There must be some value that BNI and our family has added. So can you share something?
Yeah, so we are almost booked for next 1 month. We have a lot of orders that we've received from the BNI family, and we're really grateful to it, because as a small business, you have that mindset of just creating 50, 100, maybe 1000 pieces, and now the orders that we are getting, तो उनमें quantity start ही कहीं ना कहीं 300, 400, 500, 3000 तक की है. So of course I needed to work on my team also, and we expanded our team and we expanded our products का horizon as well. But I think इससे ज़्यादा value I could not expect BNI to add in my life. But of course there is a lot more to maybe explore. I don't know what will come next.
I'll tell you one beautiful thing. So anytime we onboard anyone in BNI, we tell them only if you're ready for growth, this is the right platform for you.
Now I remember that oath actually, because otherwise तो भूल जाते हैं ना.
Right. तो BNI की एक प्रतिष्ठा, परंपरा और अनुशासन है जो कि है गिवर्स गेन. उसके चलते मैं जानना चाहूँगी, what is it that we, the BNI members, can do for you?
So you can connect me to any corporates around you. I know I should be specific, but we are not looking at just large, huge corporates. Even if you're a small entrepreneur, but you want to gift something to somebody, and आपके दिमाग में एक set budget है, उसमें आपको लग रहा है कि market में जाके कुछ अच्छे से हम नहीं explore कर पा रहे हैं, या कोई हमें suggestion देने के लिए नहीं है, you can always come to Cozy Kutum, and we will make sure that whatever your requirement is, whatever the price range is, we fit in something unique and something very mindful, so that the recipients also are in awe कि ये चीज़ मुझे Vision International से आई है, या ये चीज़ मुझे Video Doctor से आई है. They should remember your name, your brand name, that you've gifted that thing to them.
That's wonderful. My camera partner is Video Doctors. That is my friend Prakash. So before parting, Tanya, would you like to share any message with all of us present here?
Yeah, so I'm talking about corporate gifts. I would just like to add that a gift should be something which the other person, it should just resonate, that warmth, that coziness, that love with which you're gifting it to the other person. One thing, we should take care that we do not get too much into re-gifting things, like Son Papdi wala story हमें नहीं करना है, is one thing that I want to
मतलब सोन पापड़ी नहीं गिफ्ट करनी है.
नहीं, सोन पापड़ी परचेज करके गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. वो जो साइकिल में घूमती हुई सोन पापड़ी होती है, वो हमारे गिफ्ट्स वैसे ना बन जाएं. तो हमें भी जो किसी को गिफ्ट करना है, वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि वो आगे री गिफ्ट ना हो जाए. इट शुड बी दैट माइंडफुल, एंड yes, give generously and accept graciously whatever is being gifted to you. Make sure that you accept it with a lot of grace, and I think that's what my message should be.
And Tanya, here I'd like to share a wish that today we are meeting as budding entrepreneurs. आने वाले 10 सालों में I hope we have a journey of growth, we have a journey of learning, and 10 years later, as mature BNI members and seasoned entrepreneurs, we meet up again.
Yeah, so 10 years ago, actually, Divjot and I met as students in Punjab University. We happened to be roommates as well. And of course, उस time पे 10 साल बाद हम as entrepreneurs एक podcast में बैठे होंगे, तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोच मतलब it is actually very wild, but it is happening thanks to Video Doctors also. So I think maybe you can cut it or whatever. But I liked it. I liked the vibe of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.